Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove reflections from glass or water. Open your photo with a reflective surface. Now zoom closely on the unwanted reflections area. Choose the air removal tool and set a small brush. Paint gently over the reflected shapes or faces. Instantly the air replaces it with matching tones. Repeat it for any left or right glares. Add a light blur to the reflection zone. Increase clarity in the main subjected area. Use dot tool to brighten darker zones and also adjust contrast using curves, and add a natural highlights to restore shines, and also apply subtle color